Hi guys, how are you? We are making one video for about this exhaust manifold and turbocharger troubleshooting carried out. See, this is the exhaust. We are the locate any have leakage, oil or water, jacket, heater. Then here is the turbo. We are for action of the turbocharger. We are looking the turbine. Okay, we are the looking turbine shaft. See, this is the turbine shaft. Okay, this is the impeller. Okay, we are checking. This is the redial clearance and inside this by filler gauge. This is the rounding the body and this is the radial clearance after run out. Okay, and here the you are this turbine. Turbine. This is the turbine. They give here also take it clearance about this housing and turbine fan and the radial clearance, the speed rounding the tenure, how much is vibrating means up down. Okay, this is the clearance up down. Okay, and this is radial. Okay, then we will take it by micrometer. Okay, and this is the housing. This is the housing inside coming some bearings. Okay, I replaced the bearing and this to check the clearance of the turbine shaft. Okay,